Hello student, our today's topic is equation of motion and this is from class 9th. Okay, so equation of motion, and this is very important topic. Okay, for the 9th class. Now see what is there is three equation of motion. The first equation of motion is v is equal to u plus at. Second equation of motion is s is equal to ut plus half at square, and third equation of motion is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now see again equation of motion. The first one is v is equal to u plus at, second is s is equal to ut plus half at square, and third is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So these are your third equation of motion. Okay, हम लोग इसको derive करेंगे. Okay, तो हम लोग इसके लिए एक derivation perform करेंगे by the graphical method. Okay, now see here, v is equal to final velocity, u is equal to initial velocity, obviously a is equal to acceleration, and t is equal to time. Okay, now see the graphical method for the derivation of equation of motion. So student, in this graph you can see that this is your graph. Okay, and these are your two axes. The x-axis is taken as the time axis and y-axis is taken as the velocity axis. तो obviously अगर ये time axis है तो यहाँ पे time होगा. The first is 0 सेकेंड. मतलब हमने स्टार्ट कहाँ से किया था? ऑब्वियसली 0 सेकेंड से कोई भी चीज़ हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज योर 0 सेकेंड एंड फाइनल टाइम इज t सेकेंड. अगर हम लोग कहीं से चलना स्टार्ट करते हैं दैट इज योर 0 सेकेंड. ओके, और सपोज हम लोग 5 सेकेंड बाद किसी एक पॉइंट पे पहुँचे, सो हम लोग यहाँ पे कोई एक वेरिएबल, मतलब हम लोग कोई एक कांस्टेंट टर्म नहीं यूज़ करें, 5, 4, 10 नहीं यूज़ करेंगे. हम लोग क्या यूज़ करेंगे? कांस्टेंट t. ओके, t कैन बी any time. It can be 4 second, it can be 5 second. Okay, it depends on the numericals. So your starting time is 0 and your final time is t. Then what will be your change in time? t minus 0. ठीक है, चेंज इन वेलोसिटी हमने निकालना सीखा था. सो चेंज इन टाइम इज फाइनल टाइम माइनस इनिशियल टाइम. t minus 0 and t minus 0 is equal to t only. So your t minus 0 is t only. Okay, now see velocity. This is your initial velocity. Initially the body is at rest. ठीक है, कोई भी चीज़ पहले रेस्ट में होती है, फिर वहाँ से वो चलना स्टार्ट करती है एंड फाइनली जाके वो कहाँ जाती है? रेस्ट में आ जाती है. ओके, सो सी व्हाट इज़ योर फाइनल वेलोसिटी? 0. यहाँ पे वैसे हमने ये ओ लिया है बट practically your final velocity is 0. Okay, and this is your point O. So starting velocity is 0, not final. Initial velocity is 0, or after some time at the point A your velocity is u. Okay, and after some time at the point this B your velocity is v. Okay, so u हम लोग हमेशा क्या लेते हैं? द इनिशियल वन एंड v इज फाइनल वेलोसिटी. ओके, नाउ सी ये u है, ठीक है, एंड दिस इज योर v. सो अगर हम लोग नीचे से यहाँ से लेंगे देन दिस इज योर u एंड दिस वन इज योर v. ओके, सो व्हाट इज चेंज इन वेलोसिटी? दिस इज द चेंज इन वेलोसिटी and this is what? Final minus initial, v minus u. So this distance will be v minus u only. Okay, now see, now we will derive the first equation of motion. And what is the first equation of motion? V is equal to u plus at. So we will derive it. Okay, now see what is acceleration. हम लोग acceleration से start करेंगे. Okay, don't forget the starting point. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken. And what is change in velocity? V minus u. This is only your change in velocity now. See the graph, v minus u. And what is v minus u? cb minus cd, or ov minus here we will take in as OB minus OA. Okay, so this is your point B only. So OB minus OA is your change in velocity, is V minus U. Okay, and upon time taken, time means OC minus 0. See the graph again. OC minus 0. Okay. So change in velocity upon time taken. Change in velocity is v minus u, time taken t minus 0. So a is equal to v minus u divided by t only, because t minus 0 is equal to t only. Okay, so if you transpose this 2, then it will be equal to at is equal to v minus u. Okay, and if you transpose this u, see this u is negative. If you transpose it, then it will be positive only. So at plus v is equal to u, or you can write this equation as v is equal to u plus at. So this is your first equation of motion. Okay, so see the second equation of motion. Distance traveled by an object is equal to area of trapezium OABC. See here, the area of trapezium. What is trapezium? OABC. This is your trapezium, and a trapezium contain a rectangle as well as a triangle. Class 8th में था, मैथ्स में ये था ट्रैपेजियम वाला सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो अगर कोई भूल गया है तो यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द मैथमेटिक्स बुक ऑफ क्लास 8th. ओके, सो दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ trapezium, this area. Okay, and this area gives the total distance traveled by a body. This area of trapezium gives the total distance traveled by the body. Okay, so see, the total distance traveled by an object is equal to area of trapezium OABC, and obviously a trapezium contains a rectangle and a triangle. So area of trapezium is equal to area of rectangle OADC. See, area of rectangle OADC plus area of triangle ABD. Okay, so area of rectangle OADC plus area of triangle ABD. Now see, what is area of rectangle? What is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Okay, so here OA into OC or OA into AD. Okay, so this is your length into breadth plus half. What is area of triangle? Half into base into height. Okay, so see, base is AD and height is BD. Okay, and height BD is equal to V minus U. Base AD is equal to your T only. Okay, and this is U and this one is T. So put all the values here. OA is U, AD is T plus half, AD is again T, and BD is V minus U. And what is the value of V minus U? See, from this equation, V minus U is equal to 80. Suppose this is your equation number 1. So from equation number 1, V minus U is equal to 80. So we will put in the place of V minus U that 80 from equation 1. Okay, from equation number 1. So this is S is equal to, S is what? Distance traveled by an object, denoted by S. Okay, so S is equal to UT plus half A into AT, or T and T is equal to T square. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So this is your second equation of motion. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, then comment it. Thank you so much.